In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Webflow project to a client account. Start by opening your project in Webflow so you're looking at the canvas. Before you hand anything off, make sure the latest version is live. Click Publish to selected domains to push your current build. This ensures your client will see exactly what you see when you review the handoff together. Next, open the Share panel. This is where you control who can access the project and what they can do. You'll see several permission options. Select Reviewer if you want the client to be able to browse the site and leave comments without changing anything. This is perfect for final approvals or content checks. If the client needs to make edits, switch to a full seat. A full seat lets someone contribute meaningfully to the project, but you still control how deep that access goes. For clients who will run the project, choose Admin. Admin access is what you'll use when you're preparing to shift ownership responsibilities. Within the admin options, Confirm can manage site settings and billing, so they can handle domains, hosting, and invoices moving forward. If design control is part of the handoff, select Designer to grant access to the Webflow Designer for structure, styles, and interactions. To align your workspace capacity with these choices, head to Manage Seats. This takes you to your Workspace team settings, where you can adjust who has access and the number of available spots. Click Add Seats if you need to increase capacity to include your client. You'll be prompted to pick seat types. Choose Full for collaborators who need editing, design, and administrative capabilities. Choose Limited for lightweight access, like basic content edits or site reviews, when you want to keep costs and risk lower. As you confirm these permissions, think about the end state of your handoff. Publishing first gives you a clean, known baseline. Reviewer keeps feedback organized. Full and Designer empower the client's team to maintain and evolve the site. Admin with can manage site settings and billing signals, a true transfer of responsibility for settings, hosting, and payments. Limited helps you stage access gradually if you prefer a phased transition. When you're done assigning the right role and seat type, your client's account will be set up to take over data